Hey guys, James here with a quick Assetto Corsa tutorial. Now if you're like me, you might use the initial D arcade stage HUD made by Vegetable Sai. This is a fantastic way to replace a default instrument cluster with something you might like a little bit better. However, there is an intended feature in this mod that I found I don't really like when driving with it, that being the default toggling of the advantage measurement with the headlights when in proximity of other cars. As you can see, when I click the light on and off, the advantage meter goes from reading null to 0. Again, this is an intended feature and shows a fantastic level of attention to detail by the creator. It replicates a blind attack mode in the IDAS games, whereas turning off your headlights at night when racing against another car will turn off the advantage measurement, so your opponent cannot tell when you are trying to make a pass. But in Assetto Corsa, people use custom soul settings to make this functionality almost useless. So today, I'll be diving into the code with you and showing you how to make a simple edit to disable this feature. So what you're going to want to do is go into the folder for your Python apps. The way you can easily do this is going into the Content tab, finding any cool car you like, going to the folder, go back to Assetto Corsa, find Apps, Python, find dextra. Here you're going to find the dextra Python file. Go ahead and right click on this, open with Notepad. Once we're in Notepad, we're going to delete a single line of code. An easy way to find it is by hitting Control F, typing in Headlight, and hitting Find Next. Keep hitting Find Next until you find this line of code. Global get underscore headlights, comma, get rival underscore headlights, comma, get ambient underscore molt. Once you've found this, go ahead and select the whole thing, hit delete. Be careful not to delete the extra spacing between these lines, only delete the text out of it. File, save. Now you go ahead and close the notepad, close your folders. We're going to go ahead and jump back into Togue Life 1, which is the server I was in earlier. And now that we're in a server, as you can see, when I flick the headlights off and on, the advantage meter stays on no matter what. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Any other questions during the code of this video, you can go ahead and address me in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck out there.